You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are gonna be in my closet. I need to find a way to store my leggings. My closet is not out of order, but my leggings are out of control. So I need to find a better system that's gonna work, because some of them are folded up on the floor and that's not cool. And some of them are in drawers. So yeah, I gotta find a better way, because that is bad. But anyways, y'all know I always like to bring y'all along with me. So if y'all are ready, let's jump right into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is how my closet looks. Like I said, it's not out of order. Everything is pretty organized in here. I try to keep it organized. But this is the problem here. All of these leggings, this is a problem here. I gotta find a better way to do this. I had them in this drawer here, but they were kind of busting at the seams in there too. So I figured if I brought something else in, then I would have a little more room. Like I'm thinking about taking these two out. I can use those in place of that. I can fold the leggings up and store them inside of there. So I picked up like 4 of these from Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking that I can use that. So yeah, we'll see. All right, y'all, let's get right to it. So this TV stand used to be in my family room, but I'm going to repurpose it and use it for storing my leggings. I'm going to take the storage bins that I got from the Dollar Tree and place them along the bottom shelf. But first, I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to sweep and vacuum. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So now that I've gotten that clean, I'm going to go ahead and get it in the closet, and then I'm going to add the storage bins first to see how well they fit and to see if I like the way that it looks. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to start putting the leggings away. Okay, y'all, so this is what I got going on right now. These are all the shoes that I took off of here. I think I had this turned going long ways, and then it was adjustable, so I shortened it, and I'm just going to take some of the shoes out that I don't normally wear. I need to downsize a little bit anyways. So I was able to get everything in here. Like the ones that I wear the most, I got them all. Look at these shoes. The ones that I was able to wear the most, I was able to get them in here. I'm glad about that. So they were all able to fit. I was afraid that they weren't, because when I opened it up, they looked a little small, but they all actually fit. So I kind of color coordinated them. These 3 baskets anyways. Those are all my blacks. These are black and white in different colors, and that one. And then this one is basically like all my gray ones and grays with different colors in them. And this one, these are just miscellaneous, like, well, not miscellaneous, but just like they're just like different colors in here. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna get everything else back in here. I had a white shoe rack that was in here, but I think I'm gonna take that out. I don't even think I'm gonna put that back. But yeah, this is what I got going on so far. And I had to sit that up there because I have some of my things that I use every day in here. So I needed to keep that up there. It's not ideal, but it'll be okay for right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and get everything back in here.
Tell you want me, but don't make a move. That will only scare me. This love is just for you. Yeah, I got my reasons why I can't receive.
So I still have some leggings in this drawer, but there were some shirts in there that needed to be refolded just so that drawer can look a little better. And y'all, this is not all of my leggings. I still have 3 drawers in my bedroom that's full of leggings. It's out of control, y'all. I need to be stopped, but I can't help myself.
It's always hard. Still all I want is you. But don't love me back.
And right there, y'all, I was about to explode. Your girl, I have my own personal summers, and when I tell y'all the landlord has turned on the heat, he has turned on the heat. I was about to burn up. And so here, I'm just organizing everything by color. I like to do that because I just feel like it just makes everything look so much better. So y'all, let me tell y'all about my mama. Bless her heart. I love my mama to death, y'all. That's my girl. Me and my mother are so close. But, so my mama is just so vain that she doesn't want her gray hair to show. So she likes to spray her roots with that root touch-up stuff in the can. And I don't know if she wasn't paying attention to what she grabbed, but when she grabbed the can, or should I say a can, she just started spraying. Meanwhile, her hair is saturated and it's wet, and she's wondering to herself, why is this gray still here? When I tell y'all, this lady was spraying Jovan Musk in her hair. First of all, I asked her, Mama, where did you even get Jovan Musk in a can? She said, I don't know, but at least my hair smelled good. Lord, y'all, that's my mama. I love her to death. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. So now that I'm done folding everything and I've got everything else put away, I'm going to vacuum one last time. So I'm not sure if y'all remember, but that rug used to be in my laundry room, and I just swapped it out for the purple one that was in here before. I'm pretty pleased with the way everything turned out, and I'm just so glad that I can just scratch this off of my to-do list. So this was the next day, and I received a package from my mom. She knows how much I hate to cook, and I have been telling her that I needed some new cookware, and I was also saying that, you know, if I had better cookware, maybe I would enjoy cooking a little more. And so for Mother's Day, she bought me some new Cuisinart cookware.
Used to be afraid of water, but I'm safe now. When you're next to me, I'm always on the safe side. Somewhere deep down, I know you and me will survive. Though we're stuck in the deep end, I follow you down to the ocean. I'm making you drown in emotion. We should go underwater, take a look way deeper, way below the surface. We can finally breathe out. We should go underwater, where the light can't reach us. No one there to judge.
And as I was editing this video, y'all, I received a gift from my sister Rachel. She sent me an edible arrangement to congratulate me on reaching my 1,000 subscriber goal, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. I was so excited when it came, and you know, I just want to thank all of my family and friends and my YouTube family for cheering me on and supporting me every step of the way. I am enjoying every minute of this. This is all in God's plan, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you, and I love you all. Okay, family, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell before you go. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. And I want to wish my beautiful mother a very special Happy Mother's Day, and Happy Mother's Day to all the other beautiful moms out there. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.